Well, this phenomenon with it's prevalent amongst novelists where they tend to realize that the protagonist in their movie will materialize before their very eyes. So here you have a human being who supposedly had free will. Inadvertently, they are an unconscious instrument in a much grander orchestra. This person, like a conduit, just emerges into reality to fulfill this novelist character. You write in a book, the character in the book manifests before your eyes. It's a phenomenon. So art is a whole different metaphysical phenomena by itself, phenomenological phenomena, the structure of consciousness and the human experience. So, as a research scientist, I have a special interest in music. And I always had an interest in art because I couldn't understand why. If you look at all of our great predecessors, all of them were grounded in some kind of art, from Da Vinci